What's going on, guys? This is Drew of Drew Drives at Grabs Acura in Grapevine, Texas, and today we're going for a drive in this 2026 Acura RDX Advance. This vehicle is powered by a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with 272 horsepower, 280 pound-feet of torque, mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission. So I just made a video on the 2026 RDX A-Spec Advance the other day. I'm going to get videos on all the trim levels, as I always do on all the Acuras. Pretty much there's really no changes from 2025. It's just a new model year, but gotta get those. But as I said, I'm going to get videos on every new Acura model that comes out. So the Advance package is, of course, the second highest trim, A-Spec Advance being the #1 trim, which combines the Advance features with the A-Spec. So you'll get the ventilated seats, heated seats, head-up display, heated steering wheel, 360-degree camera system. You still have the true touchpad interface with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You have a wireless charging tray up here. This has the beautiful espresso interior, which is a very popular color on Acuras. You also have the ELS Studio 3D sound system, and this one also has a light-up speakers similar to the A-Spec Advance, which is really nice. You also have brown stitching up here. Looks really good. And you also have extended seat adjustments on the Advance and A-Spec Advance packages, as you can see right there. You can move the side bolsters in, adjust lumbar, and you also have thigh extension that will move back and forth as well. And you have remote start on the key fob on this Advance package. And you have this little handrest right here for your true touchpad interface. You have snow, comfort, normal, and sport modes on the dynamic mode selector. And you also have open pore Ashboro wood trim. Let's walk around this car, see what it looks like. It's finished in liquid carbon metallic. And these are the wheels you get on the Advance. They look really good. Black with the machine finish too, silver. You also have a black grille with the crosshatch diamond pentagon grille design. Looks good, looks aggressive. You also have the chicane daytime running lights on this car. And this vehicle comes with Continental cross contact tires. Heated rear seats. Dual outlet exhaust. SH all-wheel drive badge on the back, as well as the RDX badge. The Advance package will also give you the body colored trim on the bottom instead of being gloss black or plastic. Here's the trunk. Looks really good. But let's get this car on the road and see how it drives. But let's also look at the window sticker. $54,800 is the price on the window sticker. 23 miles per gallon combined, 21 city, 27 highway. I'm eagerly waiting for the redesign on the RDX, and I'm very highly anticipating the RDX, a Type S variant on the RDX for the next generation. I think that'll be an awesome car. But I have high expectations for the next generation RDX, so I'm excited to see that. And I think that'll be for the 2027 model year. That's just what I'm assuming. So yeah, really good acceleration. The RDX this generation of the RDX since 2019, it came out in 2019, has been very fun to drive. Very good acceleration, very good motor. It's and really good transmission, so it's really fun to drive, and it feels very nimble for being a crossover as well. It handles really well, especially the ones equipped with SH all-wheel drive. Actually, I think starting in 2025, all RDXs came equipped with all-wheel drive standard, which is a big plus. Seats are very comfortable in here. Visibility is good too. And one thing a lot of people like is that floating center console design on the RDX. You could also use the shift paddles if you would like. Transmission responds well to those shift paddles. And in the RDX you also have ambient lighting over here and over there, and also in like the little door handle pockets over there. This is the third refresh or second refresh. So it was 2019 to 2021 was the first iteration of this car, and then it was refreshed in 2022 until 2024, and then the 2025 and 2026 models got more updates, as you can see in this one right here. Let's take a U-turn over here. Nice. I love the feeling of the new leather. The leather is really high quality on the steering wheel. Even actually in general, like the leather is really nice. And Acura's this Milano leather is very high quality. Feels well made. And again, the espresso interior is just so beautiful. It's a very popular color for the interior for consumers, and it always gets a lot of compliments. Liquid carbon metallic with espresso is very popular, as well as white with espresso, black with, honestly anything with espresso looks good, but I'd say liquid carbon and white are the most popular exterior colors which are paired with espresso. I wish the MDX Type S came with espresso. That would be awesome. Like, yeah, espresso would look so good on an MDX Type S. I really wish it came with that, because like for Acura's A-Spec models and Type S models only come with black, red, or orchid interiors. I really wish there was espresso because it'll give it a classier look. Like for example, a BMW M vehicle with a Tartufo interior or brown interiors really looks amazing. So I think espresso in an MDX Type S would sell so quick. MDX Type S's are extremely popular and they sell super fast. Espresso interior would make it sell even faster. But yeah, this RDX Advance is really nice. Advanced packages are always very classy and very nice to drive, and this RDX Advance is no exception to that. But overall, that concludes today's video on the 2026 Acura RDX Advance. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Acura in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own Acura RDX new or certified pre-owned.